Salut tout le monde, je suis Elsa, votre professeure de français. Aujourd'hui, on va étudier la prononciation du son il ou i. Do you know how to pronounce these sounds? This one, this one, this one. It sounds a bit complicated and we are going to study that now. So first, let's start with the simplest. When you have a vowel and double L after, you pronounce the vowel and the L after. For example, when you have O and double L, you pronounce ol, ol. Par exemple, folle, folle. Just to know, the masculine of the word folle is fou. It's completely different. I know, it's like that. When you have U and double L, it is ul, like une bulle, bulle. You pronounce the L. And the same when you have A and double L, you pronounce al, une balle, une balle. To finish, when you have E and double L, you have L. Elle est belle. Elle est belle. And the masculine of belle is il est beau. Il est beau. It's very different. Okay, so now for you, when you have a vowel and double L, it's easy. But unfortunately, there is an exception, and I'm sure you know this exception. It is I double L. And better in French, we say I deux L. I deux L. So when you have I deux L, you don't pronounce the L. You pronounce y, y. Par exemple, une fille, une fille. You don't pronounce une fille. It's une fille. It is the same when you have another vowel before. Par exemple, une bouteille, une bouteille, not une bouteille. Une bouteille, une feuille, feuille, it's a, une feuille. Also une médaille, une médaille. Une citrouille, une citrouille. So for all these words, you don't pronounce the L, you pronounce y. For I, and ouille. Okay? Remember that. Bon, alors, you are going to laugh, but there is the exception of the exception. I know this is French, it's not so easy. So what is the exception of the exception? You have some words in the French language with I deux L that are not pronounced I, but are pronounced il, il. We can hear the L. I'm going to give you the list that you have to know. Une ville, and not une ville, une ville. Une villa, un village, un village. Mille, million, milliard, milliard. Mille, millions, milliards. Tranquille, tranquille. Gilles, it's a first name, it's a French prénom. Lille, it's a city in north of France. And you have also the words that starts with I deux L. Par exemple, illustration, illustration, illégal, illégal, illimité, illimité. Voilà. And to finish, there is another category, is when you have IL. IL, not deux L, just one. So when you have words like that, you pronounce il. For example, the subject il, And also you have un cil et un fil. So be careful, there is a big difference in the pronunciation between une fille, un fil, and also un fils. Here it's very strange, you don't pronounce the L, you pronounce the final S, un fils. But you have some exceptions in this category also. When you have a vowel before, you don't pronounce the L, you pronounce Y. For example, un soleil. You know this word, un soleil. You are not going to say un soleil. No, un soleil. And also, un fauteuil, un travail, un fenouil, So you see that when you have a, œil, I, ouille, you don't pronounce the L, okay? Remember that. Voilà, the lesson is finished. La leçon est terminée. I know it's a bit complicated, but I'm sure you are going to get used to it very quickly. If you know other words that correspond to this category of word, you can put them in the comments below, and I'm going to check if it's right or not. And don't forget that if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. That would be very nice of you. And also very useful because you would know when I create a new French lesson. Je vous souhaite une très bonne journée, une très bonne semaine et je vous dis à très bientôt pour de nouvelles vidéos de français bien sûr. Ciao ciao!